Hello everyone, this is Momita and welcome to our channel Food at Home. Our today's video is all about adding varieties of nutrients and also freshness in our diet. Now, crops are mainly planted in spring season when winter tends to go away. And then they are maintained and monitored throughout the summer season. And they are harvested in fall season. This is actually called the growing season of crops or plants. And nothing actually grows in winter. I mean winter, where winter is really severe. It's snowy, it's cold. Nothing actually grows in winter. This season when plants are grown, when crops are grown is called the growing season. And this growing season actually varies on the globe. If we are in the middle of the globe, along the equator or tropical regions, growing season will be wider. Growing season will be all round the year. But as we move towards the poles, growing season will be shorter and shorter. Same with the elevation or height. When we go up the hill or mountain, our growing season will be smaller. So it's so important for us, particularly those people who are not living in the equator or tropical regions. They are closer to the poles. They need to understand the importance of eating fresh, importance of adding varieties in our diet. It's always said that fresher the produce is, healthier it is to eat. It's also wiser to add different varieties of fruits, vegetables in our diet because it adds different minerals, different antioxidants, different vitamins. We get different varieties in our diet, and these varieties are so important to maintain our health and well-being. Along with that, if we are having fruits and vegetables which are naturally ripened. Fruits and vegetables, they are naturally ripened and they're consumed shortly after harvest. They tend to have more vitamins, minerals, nutrients, antioxidants in them. And as they sit long on the shelves of the grocery stores or they travel from one place to another place, they tend to lose some of those important nutrients in them. Actually, those nutrients change their form as they sit on the shelves. As they are stored in the storages, they tend to change. They don't stay in the same form as they were when they are freshly harvested. And also we have seen that when we go to a farm, we get freshly harvested foods. They are little cheaper. They're sometimes quite cheaper than those nicely packed and kept in the grocery stores. So why not? It is always wiser, and it's always important to value those locally grown foods, those varieties of foods and fresher produce. Now, people like us, when we shop in winter time, we are in those part of the world where we don't get year-long nice weather. We get long winter season. When we go to grocery stores to buy food in winter season, we tend to buy this nicely packed foods, nicely packed, nicely kept. They are nicely wrapped. And when we look into these products carefully, we see that they're coming from different parts of the world. It traveled from one state to another state in US. It moved from another country It moved from another country to US. This product is from one state, in one state of US to another state. So foods keep traveling from place to place. So when we look deeper into the package, we know how fresh it is. I know in today's world, foods travel from place to place without much time. They travel really quick and fast, but still they take couple of days. We need to understand that they are taken from the farm to factories to nicely pack them, and then to transfer them from one place to another. It takes time. It takes at least couple of days, and they also sit in the grocery stores. So whenever we are traveling to a farm, we are going to our nearby farms, it's wiser to shop from there. It's wiser to shop from locally grown. And sometimes we tend to find some products, they are greenhouse produced. There are some products which need some extra care. So farmers usually keep them in greenhouse, give them extra care so they grow nicely. Those greenhouse produce is also good because they are protected from harsh weather and climate change, and they are grown nicely. So whenever we are shopping from the groceries, we also need to check what we are buying and where it is coming from. It gives us clear understanding what we are actually buying. If we have that opportunity, particularly in summer season, to go to a nearby farm, it's really a good opportunity for us to buy some fresh produce. So stay safe, stay healthy, keep blessing, and stay blessed.